The preamble declares India to be a sovereign state. It, however, did not mention the source of this sovereignty. The objective resolution has defined people as the source of sovereignty, and in preamble, from the words "we the people," we can assess that the source of sovereignty is people. In other words, we can say that the Constitution of India is founded on the notion of popular sovereignty. This popular sovereignty is one of the underlying idea of United Nations Constitution. This tenet is based on the concept of social contract theory, the idea that government should be for the benefit of its citizens. This idea evolved through the writings of philosophers like Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, and J.J. Rousseau. Sovereignty includes both internal and external aspects. It means the government which is elected by the people of the country is very much free to make laws that govern the people and also pursue a foreign policy without any interference both by internal as well as external powers. In Berubari case, it was held that one of the attributes of sovereignty is the power to acquire or cede parts of national territory to a foreign country if necessary. Nehru, in his speech of objective resolution, did not mention the word democracy. He says it was obvious that India would choose democratic form of government because democracy is an ideal that was much cherished by the national movement. Rajiv Bhargava argues democracy came to India in the guise of nationalism, the main instrument being universal adult franchise. By democracy, the Constituent Assembly meant one person, one vote or political democracy. Universal adult franchise, regardless of sex, education, class, caste or community, was revolutionary for a society that was embroiled in narrow-minded social divisions including untouchability. In Kesavananda Bharati case, Supreme Court upheld democracy as a basic feature of the Constitution and it cannot be taken away by constitutional amendment. Republic entails a state in which people are supreme. Republic means public offices are open to every citizen without any discrimination. The head of the state is elected for a fixed period and there is no hereditary office in a republic. Preamble has a broad notion of justice. It includes social justice. All social discriminations like discrimination based on caste, sex, untouchability, etc. are to be ended. Political justice means absence of discrimination and presence of equality of opportunity in political process, which means equal political rights to all people without any discrimination. For economic justice, it would require that the rich and the poor are treated alike and efforts should be made to bridge the gap between them by reducing inequalities in income and wealth. Liberty implies creation of conditions which provide the essential ingredients necessary for the fullest development of the personality of the individual. For example, Article 19, Article 25 to 28, Article 29 and 30. The Indian Constitution enshrines more a positive notion of liberty, that is, liberty is not merely defined as restraints on the state, as in the case of classical liberal perspective. Subhash Kashyap argues that the very fact that preamble explicitly speaks of liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship suggests a positive reading of liberty in the preamble. The preamble also specifies equality of status and opportunity. Equality of status is provided by prohibition of artificial restrictions on the ground of religion, race, color, sex, etc. and is supplemented by the prohibition of untouchability and abolition of titles. Equality of opportunity is provided by the guarantee of rule of law and non-discrimination in matters of public employment. Even as the Constitution upholds equality of opportunity, it also upholds positive discrimination for the disadvantaged, which means it upholds the constitutionality of the reservation and other forms of affirmative action to the advantage of marginalized people. Secularism will be dealt in the next class. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.